Hi, my name is Morgan. I'm going to present a PHP project I built to stimulate a mobile money USSD section like when you press *720#. The goal of my project is to show you how a USSD menu works step by step inside the web application by using PHP and HTML. Okay, the structure of my code is looking like this. Here we have PHP message, but for being honest, I'm starting with here, but I want to write my PHP code here. So we declare the message equal this, and the step equals 0. In this comment, they explain it all. Dear screen, the message, it will store the message to show the user success or error. The step control which screen the user see. Okay, let's continue to here if the server request method. Okay, this it will check if the user entered the USSDcode, and if the code is correct, move to the screen. If the code is correct, shows an error and stay on the screen. This one here, let's explain this. This code will check menu option to user choose. Option 1, pay bill message not available. I will show you in the output. Option 2, buy prepaid token, and goes to the token input form. Okay, let's continue here. Let's continue. So let me explain this one. This code I use a next if statement to check if amount is less than or equal 100. Check if pin is exactly 4 digits. If both are correct, generate a random 16-digit token in 4 groups. And if check fails, show appropriate error message to tell the user the number has the mistake. Let's come here to the HTML plus CSS design. So this card contains all content for the USSD stimulation, rounded and padded for the better reliability. So in the bootstrap, I can say when we want the green color, we use success, and when we use the yellow, we use the warning, and when we want the red, we use the dangerous. So I can summarize this. PHP logic controls the flow of the USS estimation using step and the next if statement. Input validation, ensure minimum amount and 4-digit pin. And the user feedback uses bootstrap and CSS adds for success and error messages. Design, modern, colorful, gradient pattern, rounded card, responsive layout, all in one page. Stimulates the DI menu by token flow exactly by pressing *720#. Okay, here let me come to explain the output. Here you see this word, it is guiding you to know what you are going to do. So what you are going to do is to press the *720# and press enter, and then you can pay bill and buy a prepared token. So as for girls, we have done to buy a prepared token. So proceed, and here you see the system told you to enter number of your cash power. Enter number of cash power, and the minimum size is 100. So, and in the tapping of your Momo code, let me say, so you can confirm purchase. When you confirm purchase, they told you that your payment is successful and that your token is this, and you can go back to your menu. If you press the number that is this, we will get an error that say that invalid USS code, please there for these numbers. So that was what I did, and thank you for watching.